Good afternoon, guys. It's been a long time since I actually posted my merchandise. I've been very busy with many things. Okay, so today I'll make a short video for this face mask. I actually went to Nature Republic, and then I got this. This is aloe vera real nature hydrogen mask with EXO on it, and then shea butter with Dio. Unfortunately, there's no TAOHUN, so we just got this. So, well, that's it for this short video for these face masks. I'll be updating my videos soon when I get my other merchandises. So thank you guys for watching and have a nice day. Bye.